All right. Pass or fail. A little bit of a background here. This is the rough for a kitchen sink. Brand new house. What are they using for water distribution tubing? Right here. c.p.v.c. Look, just at that little piece right there, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. Look at that coming through the floor. They're using what you all know as Mickey Mouse clips, but we want you to know it as suspension hangers, not Mickey Mouse. That's the slang. They're really called suspension hangers, not Mickey Mouse. So please get the jargon down. Makes you sound a lot better. We have a 3-inch pipe coming up through the floor. There's actually a tub or a shower going into here. And then we come off with a sanitary tee, a 3 by 1.5 inch sanitary tee, pulling out a waste arm for a kitchen sink. Waste arm is typically describing the piece of pipe that's coming out of a wall and meeting up with your trap. That's typically the trap arm or waste arm. In your code book, it's trap arm. And then the whole thing put together is fixture tray. Pass or fail. Anytime you have a flat bottom fixture that's tied onto a kitchen sink on the vertical, you have to change the 3-inch right at that location. So the plumber was actually 100% complying with the code by doing what, in this case, he did. So that's good. One more picture, I think.